Hello to everyone watching, and I hope you are having a wonderful day. This is the poster presentation for Group 5, the subject Design Thinking, course code MPU3253. My name is Nicholas Yong, and members of Group 5 include myself, Joy Yap Jin Chu, Parvin Anak Lelaki Murugesu, Ng Roy Jia, Lee Wei Jun, as well as Nicole and Azevedo. Today we are here to present you with our product and service, the pause feeder. The pause feeder is a machine that will be placed in locations where it is accessible for stray animals to obtain nutritious food and clean water, as well as allowing humans to put in waste food that will be processed into edible new pet food for stray animals. The problem statement for our project is the issue of food wastage in Malaysia, as well as the issue of hunger amongst stray animals in Malaysia. We have conducted primary as well as secondary research in order to deepen our understanding. Here are our discoveries. From our primary research, it is widely agreed upon that food wastage is a big issue in Malaysia and that it can easily be mitigated due to the causes of the food wastage in the first place, such as buying too much food and not planning out the time to eat them, which results in the food spoiling and food wastage. Our respondents also say that they have seen a number of strays around their neighborhoods frequently, and that they agree that the number of strays on the roads have increased due to the COVID-19 pandemic. For our secondary research, we have found several articles which coincide with our findings, and these articles talk about these current issues in Malaysia. I will now pass it on to Joey to explain about our prototype.
This is the prototype of the machine. The main function for the food storage is to collect food waste and provide pet food to the stray animals that are produced from pet food company. So inside of the food storage, there will be chiller to keep the pet foods under the good temperature to prevent the food spoil. Moreover, there are two kinds of water storage. One is rainwater collector, which can filter the rainwater and provide water for stray animals, while the other one is for filtered water that is filled by the public. That's all from me. Now I will pass to Nicholas to continue the business model Canva.
Thank you, Joey. Now, another word regarding our prototype is that employees will have to routinely visit the machine to collect the food waste, which will be brought to another separate center, which will be processed into pet food for the stray animals. Moving on, I will be presenting on our business model canvas. So, for our key investors, the first one will be Hill Science Diet, which is a pet food supplier, which will be relying on to transform our waste food into edible pet food. Second of all, we will need investors so that we can create and prototype our machine. After that, we will need restaurant or restaurant chains as locations to put the machines so that at the end of the day, the restaurants can put their waste food into the machine, which we can use to create food for stray animals. Lastly, on a bigger scale, we will collaborate with supermarkets or supermarket chains to obtain a more bigger and more steadier flow of waste food, which will be used for the food in our machine. Our target market will be restaurants as well as supermarkets, and our marketing and advertising would mainly take place on popular social media apps such as Facebook and Instagram, as long as relying on traditional advertisement such as television. This has been Group 5, and on the behalf of my teammates, I thank you for watching our presentation.